So now at this point, you're done with your warm-up, you're done writing your 3 sentences, you're done drawing the picture, and now please flip the page. Remember, we're doing this together, although we're apart because I'm at home, we're still doing this together because I'm going through the instructions. So, would you look at that? We are going to be reading a text about Lewis and Clark. And the directions say, follow along with Miss Romano's video. First, preview the text. Second, turn and talk. Third, we will read together. So for the next 2 minutes, I want you and your desk group to look through the text. Tell me maybe how many paragraphs you see, what you see in the images, maybe unknown words, maybe you see a chart. And I want you to conduct a see, think, and wonder. Talk about what you see in the text, what you think the text will be about, and what you wonder. At the end of this video, please press the timer for 2 minutes, and I expect to hear my report back about class, how much you guys were engaged and turning and talking about Lewis and Clark and what you see. All right, good luck previewing the text.